Hello guys, welcome back to lineup. For today's video, here we're going to show you change hover effect color and selected color on menu in WIX. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly change the hover effect colors here on your menu here. So this one's fairly simple. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your editor. You want to go to the very top here and you want to make sure that you select the horizontal menu that we have. Now, since changing the effect color or on hover color or selected color here falls under design, we want to look for the paintbrush icon here. Just click on design. Now, from here, click on customize design. Now, in here, there are three states I need to take in mind here. So, first is we have the regular one. So, the regular one here allows you to basically change the design of what it looks like by default. So, as you can see, I have this on orange. When you go to text here or go to fill color opacity, you go ahead and change the color for that specific section. But let's go and go to text here since we want to change the text color only. But yeah, so you could go and change this to a different one, like make it green, whatever color that you want, but I want to keep this at orange. Now, since we want to focus on hovering and being selected, you can go and click on hover here, and you can change this to a different color if you want. Like, for example, I can make this in a different color, make it green or make it blue. As an example, I'm going to make it blue. Now, for the clicked one, you can go and just select this one and change the color for it. Let's go and make this to white. Now, once you've selected the colors here, you could go and just exit this one, click on preview, top right, and from here, once we hover over it, it's going to change the color of that as well. Now, once you click on it, this will also make, or in this case, update the color. As you can see, it's now white, like what we said before. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to lineup. Thank you for watching.